Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today we are going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Also, Gemini, this is going to be for mid-September month, okay? Gemini, I'm going to see your energy towards your person in this relationship on this side, and on the other hand I'm going to see your person's energy towards you in this relationship on this side, and in center I'm going to see what is the current situation of your relationship and what is going to be the future outcome of this relationship. Okay, now let's start the reading for Gemini. Okay, Nine of Wands, Knight of Cups, Five of Cups, King of Wands, Knight of Swords, the Star, current situation of this relationship is the Hanged Man, and Nine of Swords. Okay, Gemini, you feel that your person is very depressed. Okay, they are stuck in some they are stuck in some kind of negative energies. Okay, I feel that someone has offered them some, or maybe someone has ditched them in past, because that's why I'm seeing these three cups here. Your person is kind of very much sad and very depressed that you feel about your person, and this is the reason they are not seeing what you are going to offer them in this relationship. Okay, they have turned their back towards you, and they are kind of very afraid, and they are into their own mindset. It is because they are heartbroken this time, and just because of their past relationships, that's why they are not seeing what you are going to offer them, this Knight of Cups. They are stuck at some point in their life. There is something happening, or there's something has happened with them in past, and they are holding that negative energy or the bad past experiences very tightly, as they are not because they do not want to hurt, they don't want to hurt again. Okay, although they can take action towards you, they can move out from this negative emotion, this negative energy, and they can heal themselves from their bad past experiences. They are not doing so. Okay, and this is a reason you are kind of stuck at some point in this relationship, whether you are not able to understand that whether you should offer them this Knight of Cups or not. You are also being very much patient, silent in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling. Okay, but I'm also feeling that you have emotions and genuine emotions for your person in this relationship, but the thing is that your person is not, or they don't want to take a step ahead in life. They don't want to move on from their bad past experiences. That's what I'm seeing now, and you are like holding back because you also want them to move out from their negative emotions. Okay, Let's see how what your person's, or what's your person's energy in this relationship. Your person sees you, I mean, your person feels about you that you are someone who is very kind and, very nurturing and very down to earth kind of a person. And plus, you are someone who is not, who is, uh, I mean, they see you as someone who can take the action towards them, who can take the, or who can start this relationship. Or I mean, they see you as someone who is capable enough to take first step towards them. Okay. Although you are, I'm seeing that you are. Uh, I feel, Gemini, your person wants to offer you something. It's not you, it's them. They want to offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, that's what you feel, but they are kind of very depressed and then they are very, sad, just because of their past experiences, and they are holding back. Okay, it's not you, it's your person who wants to offer you this Knight of Cups. And on the other hand, your person feels that you are someone who can take the, or who can initiate this relationship. Okay, and they also see you as someone who is very fearless and who is very open and blunt to express their emotions. Okay, and along with that, you have the capabilities to grow or to nurture any relationship. Okay, they see you as someone who can give them the clarity in life, who can take action on their behalf in this relationship. They see you as someone who is capable enough to take this relationship on next level. Okay, they see you as you are someone who is very down to earth, very kind to the other person. Okay, and moreover, they feel that you are the one person that, I mean, who can heal them. Okay, they see you have the capabilities, or you have the abilities to listen to them peacefully, and you have the this you, this positive, I mean, you have the positive vibes to heal this relationship and to heal your person, so that they can come forward and offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, so cut it short, your person is depending on you emotionally. They want you to heal them, they want you to take action towards them, because they feel that you have the capabilities and you are the person who can take this relationship on next level. So they are being very much dependent on you emotionally. Okay, now let's see what is the current situation of your relationship, Gemini. With this Hanged Man, I'm feeling that this relationship from both the sides is on some kind of, I mean, is on hold. I mean, you guys are evaluating things, you guys are rethinking about this relationship. Okay, it is just because your person is very silent. They want you to heal them, they want some healing from you, they want some solid actions from you basically. So they are kind of waiting for you. Okay, to take some action towards them. And on the other hand, they are also not expressing their feelings, what they actually want from you. So that's why they are being very silent in this relationship so far. Okay, and if I talk about on your part, you are also being very silent towards a person because you are not getting what they want in this relationship. Okay, because they are not expressing their things, they are not expressing their emotions towards you. That's why you are in some kind of a dilemma that what exactly this person wants from you in this relationship. So you are also being very silent towards them. Okay, you are also not getting what to do next in this relationship with this person. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future outcome. Okay, with this Nine of Swords, I feel that your person is going to be, silent towards you. Okay, in coming time as well, they are not going to open up in front of you, they are not going to express what they need in this relationship from you, and that is why they are being very much depressed and very much sad in this situation. Okay, in coming future. And on the other hand, you are also being very much depressed and anxious about this relationship. You are not, or you won't be able to get what exactly you need to do in this relationship to make this relationship work for you and for your person as well. Okay, let me just clarify why this Nine of Swords is here. Page of Pentacles. Gemini, I'm feeling with this Page of Pentacles, your person wants to move away from these kind of emotions, the love and romance and relationship kind of emotions. Okay, right now and in future also, they are going to be more focused towards their finances, their goals, their careers. They will be maybe they will be starting some new business in future, or they will be starting some new career, or maybe they are going to start something new, new venture in their life, to to divert their mind from from their bad past experiences. Okay, so that's why they are going to be very silent towards you in future as well, and this thing is going to make you and your person as well depressed in coming future. Okay, now let's see what is the overall outcome of this reading. What is the overall outcome of this reading is okay. There is a lot of silence in this relationship. I'm seeing that it's you who is moving out from this relationship now, who wants to move out from this relationship, because your person is very silent, although they want to offer you this Knight of Cups, but they are being very silent and very much attached towards their past negative emotions, bad experiences of relationship thing. Okay, so they'll remain same in near future as well, and this thing is hampering you, or is affecting you, and that's why you are trying to move out from this relationship. Okay, you want to move away from this relationship because you feel that it is not going to work out as the way you want in as the way you have expected this relationship to be. Okay, so let me just tell you the signs. Okay, with this Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, we have Earth sign here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With the Swords card, this Nine of Swords and Knight of Swords, we have air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With this cup, with this Knight of Cups and Five of Cups, we have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And this Nine of Wands and King of Wands, we have air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and some of you could be dealing with Aquarius as well. Okay, so that was the reading for Aquarius. Oops, sorry. So that was the reading for Gemini. If any of the part of the reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Bye bye.